How to add an MX record in cPanel using DNS Zone Editor. MX record specifies a mail server responsible for accepting email messages. You can add an MX record using the cPanel Zone Editor option. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Scroll down to the Domains section and click on the Zone Editor icon. To add an MX record for a domain, click on the MX record button in front of the domain name under Title Actions. MX record for mail routing should have the lowest preference number. Enter priority 0. Enter the domain name of your mail server, which you use, in the destination input box. Now click on Add an MX record button. That's it, we have successfully added the MX record for domain example.com. Thank you for watching.